Now that we've gotten a nice overview of the structures of the brain, let's now talk about how the structures of the brain are organized. So the structures of the brain can be organized either under a category of structural classification or under a category of functional classification based on what they do. If we take a look at the structural classification component, we will see that the structures are either grouped into one category based on whether they are found inside the vertebral canal or inside the cranium. And if that's where you're finding, then we will be talking about the brain and the spinal cord itself. On the other hand, if we are talking about structures of brain tissue that are located outside of the cranium and outside of the vertebral canal, these are going to be the ones that are called the peripherally located structures or the peripheral nervous system. Under the functional organization of the nervous system, a really important question to ask is, what does the nervous system structure in question do? And does it either A, involve the movement or the processing of motor information, or B, is it involved in the processing of sensory information? And after that, a secondary question to ask is, what part of the body does that part of the nervous system involve? Does it go to a part of the body that is involuntarily used? Or does it go to a part of the body that is involuntarily used? And based on the answer to that question, the part of the nervous system in question can be classified either as a somatic category or somatic nervous system or visceral nervous system.